The event is now.
As I reflect now, the earliest memory that comes to my mind that has had an impact on me or that started my journey is when I was very young. Should have been around 5 or 6, and I vividly remember, I was working in the fields, in the rice fields. We were planting rice, and my father sort of called me out and asked me to change clothes and clean up and go to school. But as I grew and as I found my feet, I started earning more, and I also bought a flat in Delhi, and I was sort of on the verge of settling down. There was this part of me that was also growing, that I wanted to get back to Kashmir and do something. So in 2009, I finally decided to quit my life in Delhi. I sold the flat and I decided to come back. The mindless commercialization of our life and our ecology has had a very, very adverse impact on the quality of our life, the quality of our health, the quality of our relationships, the quality of our ability to be in our natural state. We're always stressed, we're always running after one thing or the other. We're never sort of calm and composed and at ease. Most of the times we're worried about something or the other. It becomes very important, very, very important for people to take a break, to relax.
Well, do anything. Alhamdulillah.
Sag Eco Village hai, it is in our understanding and our intention is it is an antidote to this chaotic lifestyle that we are living.
देखिए, सग को अगर हमें समझना है तो हम दो तरीके से समझ सकते हैं. एक इसकी फिजिकल एज अ स्पेस, सग एज अ स्पेस, एंड देन सग एज अ प्रोग्राम, एज एन आइडिया. तो स्पेस में इट्स अ फार्म, इट्स एक लंबी एक ज़मीन है, 11 कनाल ज़मीन के ऊपर हम कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ करते हैं. और ये ज़मीन एक ऐसी जगह पे लोकेटेड है where you can see the whole of Srinagar, which is in itself a therapy, because it's a offbeat kind of a place जहाँ आप अपनी routine life से you want to take a break and then you go somewhere and then you relax there. Have some residential facilities which include our mud huts, our tents, like camping facilities we also have. So people also can stay here, overnights. And then we have a restaurant where you can get home cooked food. No preservative, no artificial coloring, nothing at all. You will get the best home cooked food. I won't say it's like a very fancy, it's a simple restaurant where you just get a normal Kashmiri simple recipes, And then we also have a space where you can just sit and just relax and meditate. It's a natural setting. And then you have clear sea, you can see stars in the night, and you have mountains in the background.
Yat Sag Eco Village, yat at Sok Pind Tinav. Sok Pind gay yeten Zehnas te Sok te Shehjar Shohul Basi, Cheshman te Basi, Watnas Behnas te Kalamas Manste. Laza Chu Pazi, Yimsan Koshid Sun. ये ख्याल थवान कशेर हुंद ते आसन हुस्न खूबसूरती शोहल शहजार ये छाव हवस अगर तिम योर यन तिमन बास आव कशेर वुनि तिम जाय तो तिम मोहनिव ते इंसान रचरावन तिम कलाकार फनकार तो बेय सुखदार तो दगदार यम जन यसान माजे कशेर हुंद सो हलम भरुन बे तिम वही चीजों सत यमन यमो हुस्न तो हुस्न खूबसूरती पन्ने माजे कशीर ओर.
So we create, design, develop and promote educational, recreational and lifestyle services, spaces, products, programs for individuals, families, communities. Our food, for example,
हमारे पास जो नेचुरल फूड प्रोडक्ट्स है ना, एक्चुअली हमारे जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं नेचुरल इंग्रेडिएंट्स यूज़ होते हैं इसमें विद ट्रेडिशनल रेसिपीज़, एंड हमारे जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं इको फ्रेंडली है एंड हैंडमेड क्राफ्टेड है, कोई मशीन्स यूज़ नहीं होते यहाँ पे, जो भी होता है हम हाथ से प्रोसेस करते हैं सारा कुछ। एंड हमारे जो प्रोडक्ट्स में है, मतलब जो प्रोड्यूस होता है यहाँ से, लाइक हमारे पिकल्स हैं, अचार, हाक अचार है, हमारा नदुर अचार होता है, मिक्स वेज पिकल होता है, चिली पिकल होता है। लाइफस्टाइल प्रोडक्ट्स है कि हमारी असल में हमारा लाइफस्टाइल होना कैसा चाहिए, जैसे कि हम हमारे लाइफ प्रोडक्ट्स में है बम्बू है, पैकेज है, हैंडमेड बास्केट्स है, या तो पेपर मशी के जो प्रोडक्ट्स है वो है हमारे पास। कि लाइफ होनी कैसे है असल में, जैसे हो, मतलब यहाँ पे वही एक्सप्लोर करते हैं यहाँ पे, मतलब कैसे होनी चाहिए असल में लाइफ।
करोगे आप रोड पे चल रहे हो, आप किसी से बात कैसे करोगे, ठीक है, आप पत्थर देख रहे हो, आप उसको क्या करोगे, पत्थर को क्या करोगे, या आप
We do different activities. We take children for treks, for walks. We do nature hunt. We do art and craft, theatre, cooking. We work with children. We do eco-educational and recreational camps with children through our Kidspreneurship program. Children come here. They have the space here. They are able to, sort of express themselves. We also have programs for parenting and learning methodology. Parents get a chance to express themselves, to share their experiences, and then we also talk about different methods and models and examples of the best parenting methodologies.
We just want to bring these opportunities to people because we know there are lots of people who are looking for ways and means of recreation, education, and a lifestyle that is free of stress,